The basic operation of CRT. First, click on the Auto CAD for CAD drawing. Find the corresponding drawing for file floor plan. Open the file. Delete the part that does not need CRT. Finished deleting, drag the selection box to choose the drawing. Then, from the menu of File, find the output. Choose the output file format as WMF file. Save it with the name of the corresponding drawing. For example, first floor WMF. Make the next drawing. Save the file as WMF format. For example, save the file name as floor WMF. After the CAD drawings are completed, it will display the WMF property. The next step is open CRT software. Usually when you newly install CRT software, it's just machine code. There is no password below this. It needs to be enabled by machine code. Click Open. It showed could not initialize port. Please check the port or restart the software. This is the schematic diagram of the CRT software opening. This shows the menu. Each function is displayed in this. Click Drawing Tool. Enter password 119. Press Confirm. These pictures in this building are schematic diagrams of the installation. Click the menu to input WMF file. Select the WMF file you made to open it. Click to open it. This is the CRT file you made. There is fault information showed on the fault window. If you connect the cable to the controller, the fault window will automatically disappear. Let's move on to the drawing. The icon of this drawing is small. You can click to enlarge it. Zooming in. This is translation. Click the left button to pan the drawing. Move to the location you want. Then place the parts. Click where you need to place it. Fill in the part information. Machine number. If you have 2 or more machines or controllers on site, you need to change this machine number. The part circuit number is the circuit that the part is connected. The address number is the address that you programmed this part. Location information is the specific location of this part installed. Click the Confirm button. If the part is not smoke detector, you can find the corresponding part in the drop-down menu. Place more parts in the same way. All parts placed will show up on the drawing. If you place the part incorrectly, click to select it, then double-click. Click Property. Then correct the mistake. Place all parts on the drawing. Then click on the vector map. There is the fire zone name and group name in the vector map. Fire zone name is the floor or unit. Fire zone name is the floor or unit. Group name is the specific address of the building. For example, supermarket. Click the Confirm button and click Save. Then it shows up in the folder. Click on the uppercase B to display boot menu bar. Right-click. Select Facility Management. Click End Mission. We'll go into CRT after exiting. It will display the drawings you just made. Supermarket vector map will be displayed in the map file. We can see the part's loop number, address number, and controller. Click Menu System Config. Then Hardware Configuration. Input password 119. Change the configuration of the monitoring center to none. Serial port 456. Fire alarm. The controller's communication dial test rate is 2400. After pressing the Confirm button, let's restart the software. The controller and transmission failure will be cleared. Then we can set the fire alarm and password. Input password 119. Set first level password, second level password, then press the Confirm button. System test end. NOE simulated fire alarm in the first circuit of machine NOE. Simulated failure. Simulated action. Simulated feedback. Simulated fire alarm. The information will show up on the machine. Noise alarm for the first circuit of the noise kind. Then reset it. Set as home page. Normally, it is to set the first floor as the home page. Restart after setting the home page. Exit with Alt plus F4 and come in after exiting. The front page will change. This is the home page of the first floor. When it is on the first page, it will be represented as F in front of it. Device list is what showed on this machine. All the devices displayed in the CRT will be displayed here, including time, vector map, supermarket, etc. Click menu Show Legend. Click menu Show Legend. You will find all the parts icons here. This is the legend of the hydrant. Click Duty Record on menu. You can enter your name in the duty record. Record this information. Then press Confirm. Click Menu Operation History. The operation record of the machine power on reset and time will display here. Click Menu History. The CRT can store up to 2万小时 historical records. The background color can be edited here. Background color. Under normal circumstances, we will make it the default color. Okay, that's it for CRT. Thank you for listening. Bye.